How to create Rednote account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Rednote app. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Log in with your mobile number or simply click on Google option. Select your account, which is your Google account. Then choose your gender and age. After you've chosen age and gender, select your interest. You'll find all these options. Click on Start Exploring. You can allow your contacts or not. After that, your account will be created like this. And this is how you create Rednote account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.